Ultimea Nova S40.
Let's begin by carefully opening the box. First, you will find some accessories. Under accessories you will find your Ultimea Nova S40 soundbar and subwoofer. We provide you with all the cables, no need to buy them separately. First, let's connect the soundbar and subwoofer. Connect the subwoofer to the sub-out port of the soundbar.
Better audio experience when subwoofer is aimed at the wall for bass reflection. Let's see how it looks once connected.
Alright, it's time to connect your TV or PC. This video will show 4 common connections for TV.
Firstly, connect to your TV via ARC output.
Easily hide the soundbar under the TV to save space and avoid blocking the remote control. ARC or eARC is preferred if your TV has an ARC/eARC output. HDMI-IN ports of the TV are not supported. To protect the soundbar for longer life, connect the HDMI cable and power cable according to the steps and then switch on the power.
When wall mounting the soundbar, our angled HDMI cables prevent damage from bending. First, we plug in the power cord and the included angled HDMI cable into the soundbar. Connect the power supply. Select the ARC mode via ARC button on the remote control. The soundbar's LED will display ARC. Choose the TV as the correct audio output mode, HDMI. Please remember to set up the TV PCM settings. When HDMI ARC is connected, CEC function supported. The TV's remote control can control the soundbar and TV simultaneously. 1. Turn on or off. 2. Adjust the volume. Let's try it out. Try controlling your TV and soundbar with the TV remote. Try the volume adjustment again. Easy and fast, right? Finally, close with one click.
Secondly, we show the optical connection. Remember to remove the protective cap. Insert one end of the optical cable into your TV's optical out port. Then insert the other end into the optical port on the soundbar and connect the power cord. The same, and finally connect the power supply, switching the soundbar to optical.
Choose the TV as the correct audio output mode, optical.
Please remember to set up the TV PCM settings.
Next, we will show the AUX connection.
Plug the straight end of the AUX cable into the AUX out port of the TV.
Then, insert the power cord and the angled end of the AUX cable into the soundbar. Please note that both ends of the AUX cable must be fully inserted into the devices.
The same, and finally connect the power supply.
Select the ARC mode via AUX button on the remote control. The soundbar's LED will display AUX.
Note, if you want to change the output from AUX to another output mode when AUX is connected, you need to unplug the AUX cable before the soundbar can work. Prefer wireless. Here, Bluetooth connection.
Step 1. Turn on soundbar Bluetooth. Step 2. Turn on Bluetooth setting of your phone.
Search and connect.
Step 3. Connect successfully, din-don.
Also, if your TV supports Bluetooth output, you can connect the soundbar wirelessly.
Step 1. Turn on soundbar Bluetooth.
Step 2. Turn on the TV's Bluetooth, search and connect.
Step 3. Connect successfully, din-don.
Alright, it's time to connect your PC. There are 2 ways to connection for PC. First, place the soundbar under your PC to save space. PC is usually connected to the soundbar via AUX. Plug the straight end of the AUX cable into the AUX out port of the PC.
After that, insert the power cord and the angled end of the AUX cable into the soundbar.
The same, and finally connect the power supply, and switching the sound bar to AUX. Finally, go to the PC's sound settings and switch the output device to soundbar. Click the Game button on the remote control to enjoy better game experience.
Let's see how it looks once connected.
Now, enjoy your game time. Finally, we show the Bluetooth connection for laptop.
Step 1, turn on soundbar Bluetooth. Step 2, turn on the laptop's Bluetooth, search and connect. Step 3, connect successfully, din-don.
Sometimes you have followed the steps to connect, but there is no sound. Don't worry, all it takes is a TV PCM settings. Take the example of the TV in the video. Settings Sound Expert Settings Digital Output Audio Format PCM. Different TVs may have different setup steps. Normally as below. Settings Sound Digital Audio Format PCM. If you are not sure about your TV settings, please check our official guide or contact us. There are also software upgrades and other issues of concern to you, which can be found on our official website. We are always here for you. We hope you have a pleasant experience at Ultimea.